You certainly are hard to get rid of. I'll say that.
Toothless. Hey. It's me, bud. It's me. It's me. I'm right here, bud. Come back to me.
He's not yours anymore. He belongs to the Alpha. But please, oh great Dragon Master, try to take him. He will not miss a second time.
It wasn't your fault, bud. They made you do it. You'd never hurt him. You'd never hurt me.
How are you doing that?
Please, you are my best friend, bud. My best friend. Attaboy, that's it! I'm here!
Enough!